Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa, Texas. This is Papa's Kitchen. That's right, the Big W made me this. There's his channel sticker right there. Yeah. Today, it's during the week, and I just got done watching Billy's premiere in there. And what we're gonna do, I'm just making some chicken wings, offset cooking on the Weber grill. That's right. And we're gonna put some Uncle Steve Shake, the original, on them. Uncle Steve has something he's working on right here. Yeah, barbecue sauce. Yeah, that's going on half of them. The other half is getting the flying saucy. Look at that word. Look at those words right there. Look at those words. Parmesan garlic. Okay, I know I sent some to Booger. I know she's made the video. It hadn't come out yet. When it does, when her video does come out, it's gonna mysteriously appear right there at the end of this video. Yeah, I'm interested to see what she's gonna do. We're gonna do another video with this because Maddie wants to, but she's in California. That's right. All right. It's not about the cook, it's about the flavors. You might see some of the cook, I never know. Main thing is I'll plate it up, we'll see what happens. See you in a bit. Alright, we're gonna look at the chicken wings real fast, see what we got going on. Bring your lid over like that. Yeah, don't bring the ashes up. People go, whoop. No, you slide it across nice and easy. That's what we got going on right now. How's that looking? Offset cooking on the Weber grill. Alright, so the first half we're going to get some Uncle Steve's barbecue sauce. Yeah, let's get that on there. Alright, just one more. That's what we're going to go with that. We'll get it good and good. Good and on there, however you want to say it. Lather them. Did I show you? That was the Uncle Steve Shake barbecue sauce. Yeah, it's a trial. Yeah. This flying saucy Parmesan garlic. We've only tried this in the store on a taste test, not on the meats. So let's get her on there. Like so. We'll rub it in here in just a sec. I put a lot on there, but it is so awesome. So awesome. Alright. Let that sit for a few. Kind of bake into there and we'll see what happens. Whether I turn them over or not. Probably not. Because it's Papa. Papa, Texas. So after sitting for a little bit, that's the way they turned out. They look awesome. Alright. Let's get them off of here, let them cool down just a little bit, and do a little taste test. Yeah, I'm gonna eat that one and that one. I don't know. Let's go. I'm using my new HEB Texas plate. Do you like that plate? Yeah. All right, we'll get them on here and let's do a taste test. All right, there they are, plated up. They look awesome. Let's give them a test. Taste test. Yeah. Alright, here they are. We're going to go with this boy right here. Bring it up and show it to you. That looks pretty good. Let's see what it tastes like. Wow, it tastes like, wow, it tastes just like a Parmesan cheese like it's supposed to. This is awesome. Jack's Drink Water. I got one of these coming to you with some Uncle Steve's Shake. This is really good. I'm impressed. We had only taste tested this in the store, not cooked. I am really impressed with this stuff. Next, we're going with the Uncle Steve barbecue sauce. Yeah, he's working on this. You might be able to buy this soon. Working on it. All right, let's give it a taste test. I like the thickness of it. Very nice flavor to it. I sat it there offset and it thickened up on me, and I really like the way it turned out. It's not vinegary or overpowering or anything. It's kind of like, that's a good job. You can't see me in the camera. I really do like that. I don't know if you can really see all that or not. Parmesan cheese, wing sauce, and Uncle Steve's shake barbecue sauce in the makings. Yeah. I would have no problem recommending either one of these to anybody and putting my name, Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen, on it. You won't go wrong with that. And who doesn't like wings? Alright, folks, it's Papa. It's Papa's Kitchen. Papa Texas. See ya.